Good morning, everyone. Today we are solving the problem on cash budget. This is the problem I am discussing with you. From the following forecast of income and expenditure, prepare a cash budget for 3 months. This is very important. 3 months commencing 1st June. So when this cash budget will commencing, this is commencing from the month of June. When the bank balance was rupees 1 lakh. This 1 lakh rupees in the month of June. This is the opening balance of in the bank. So here this is very important. Income and expenditures very important. So already in last video I told you income and expenditure. So this is the cash inflow and this is the cash outflow. So when cash inflow minus cash outflow will get the cash position. This is the balance that is called the cash budget we are preparing. Okay, this is very important. We are mentioning 3 months here. 3 months we are preparing 3 months cash budget. So that the budget is commence from month of June. So opening balance is 1 lakh rupees. So next here in the problem he given in the month of April, May, June, July and August. Totally 5 months he given, but we have to prepare only 3 months, not 5 months. So 3 months means it's commence from the month of June. So he given here commencing 1st June. So you have to prepare June, July and August. Only 3 months cash budget we are preparing. So we are not taking in the April and May months. We are not taking. So we are preparing 3 months. Next sales. Sales. So sales means amount is given here. Sales amount. So in the month of April sales, May sales, June, July, August month sales amount is given here. Same like that purchase amount and wages, factory expenses and administration and selling expenses amount are given here. So wages, factory expenses and selling expenses, these three items are the payments. Wages, factory expenses and administration selling expenses are the payments. Okay, so next I'll come to the a sales commission of 5% on sales. So what he is telling, sales commission is 5% on sales. So we are taking sales. On sales we are 5% sales commission. This sales commission is the payment. So we have to take on the base of the sales based we are taking the 5%. Next due 2 months after sales. So this is very important. Due 2 months after sales. So here sales due means there is a sales credit. Already I told you in the last class. So that is due means sales credit means what? Sales credit sales or sales creditor. So it will come that creditor will be created. So here in the problem due to 2 months after sales. So due sales is nothing but credit sales. So debtor will be created here. Debtor. Okay. Debtor means where you have to take a debtor. We have to take a debtor that is in the receipts. Receipts, not in payment. Receipts. Okay. Keep in your mind that is receipts. Next I'll continue. Is payable, next comma, is payable in additions to selling expenses. Is payable in addition to selling expenses means addition is the following. So following to selling expenses. So this selling expenses is addition. This is the following month. Means that example in the month of April, in April, that is expenses is 10,000, but they are not paying in the month of April, but they are paying in the month of May. It's 10,000 rupees in the month of May they are receiving. So that's why they are telling the following months. So this is very important. Payable word. Payable means all payables. All payables means payments. There's a wages, factory expenses and administration selling expenses. These three payables are so following months. So this is the condition. Following months means next month. So they are receiving. So next, plant valued at rupees 65,000 will be purchased and paid for in the month of August. Plant received, they purchased the plant, there is 65,000 rupees plant, but paid, when they are paid in the month of August. Only August month we have to show. And the dividend for the last financial year 15,000 will be paid in July. So dividend they have to take in the month of July. There is a 15,000 rupees. There is a 2 months credit period allowed to customers and received from suppliers. This is very important. 2 months credit period allowed. So to customers, customer word is will come. So what I said, so customer means is created the creditor, or allowed means the word will come to the creditor. So here, so creditor will create it, creditor. Okay, so now I will take the in cash budget format. So this see, this is the cash budget format already I prepared. So this is cash budget for 3 months to 31st August. So already you know that June, July and August 3 months. So we are preparing for 3 months. So it commence from June. So July, August. So first you know that cash inflow and cash outflow. So we are minusing your payment, right? There's a receipts and payments. The receipts and payments. First I'll take the receipts. There is a opening balance. So what I told, opening balance in the month of June, that is in the month of June opening balance is 1 lakh rupees. So I'm writing here in the month of June 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so next I'll come to the a sales commission of 5% on sales. So this one I'll take sales commission. Sales commission is that is the, what is that, is the payment. So that's why I'm taking here payment column. There is a sales commission. So 5% sales commission he is telling. So but in the month of June, July, August. So I'll take the first June, or is that June sale. On the base of sales, that is in the month of June, 78,500 rupees is there. But what he told,